Hello students, welcome to the class. So we have started geography first chapter resources, and we have to continue this from here. Human made resources. Natural substances became resources only when their original form has been changed. Iron ore was not a resource until people learned to extract iron from it. People used natural resources to make buildings, bridges, road, machinery and vehicles, which are known as human made resources. Technology is also a human made resources. We cannot use anything from in as it is form. Like if we want to make buildings, machinery, roads or vehicles, we cannot just dig a hole and take iron from it and make anything from that. We have to convert it into a useful metal, then only we have use it. So technology is also a human made resources. We Technology is also a human made resources. So people like us use natural resources to make human made resources. People like us make humans natural resources to make human made resources. Like if you want to eat some vegetables, you cannot just eat raw vegetables. You have to process it and make some delicious recipe, then only you can eat it. So it is like natural resources, you cannot just use in as it is form, you have to change it through technology, and then only you can made it in usable way. So next topic is human resources. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and technology to do so. Who made natural resources into a useful things? People. So how they can convert it into a useful thing? Only when they have good knowledge, proper skill and technology to do so. That is why human beings are special resources. People are human resources. Improving the quality of people's education, skills and health uh, results them to create a more natural resources into a usable form. This is known as human resources development. Education and health is the important factor to create human beings uh, more valuable, and then only they can make any valuable goods. Then your next topic is conserving resources. What is conserving? What is the meaning of conserve? To save anything from wastage. So just think about or imagine about a earth without water or without trees. Life is not possible without water and trees. So here a girl had just had a nightmare that all water on the earth had dried up and all the trees are cut down. She really gets very frightened and asks her Amma what to do. Amma or her mother. Her mother replied, if we are not careful, then renewable resources can become very scarce and the non-renewable ones can definitely get exhausted. You all know what is renewable resources and non-renewable resources. So her mother replied that if we cannot careful and cannot conserve these renewable and non-renewable resources, then one day the earth is get exhausted from all these things. We had lost all these valuable things from the earth. Then her son asked what we can do about it, how can we conserve all these things. Then her mother replied, a lot of things we can do to conserve these our natural resources, that is renewable and non-renewable resources. So what are the methods to conserve all these things? From here we can continue this on tomorrow.